Namaskar. My dear people of Guwahati Central and Assam, today the people of Guwahati Central have spoken and I wholeheartedly accept and respect the mandate. I congratulate the winning candidate from Guwahati Central, Mr. Vijay Kumar Gupta, and I wish him a successful tenure. This was my first step into electoral politics, and as a complete newcomer with less than a month to prepare, I discovered Guwahati in a new light. Walking through its lanes, listening to your daily struggles with flooding, traffic, parking, jobs, and education, I also witnessed your resilience and hope despite these challenges. Though new to this arena, I received immense love, warmth, and encouragement from all sections of the society, from the youth, especially the Gen Zs who believed in a fresh voice, and the elders who blessed me with their guidance, and families who welcomed me to their homes. Every handshake, conversation, and a word of motivation meant a lot to me. I especially cherished the moment when a little child ran to me to hug me with all his heart, and moments like this strengthened my resolve to serve this cause. This campaign has taught me the real pulse of Guwahati and the aspirations of our people. It reminded me that change does not happen overnight, but every sincere effort gives a hope for a better future. Though the result did not go in our favor this time, I promise I will return stronger, I will keep learning, I will work harder, and I will prepare with greater dedication. This is not a defeat of our ideas, it is only a temporary setback. So whatever the outcome, I assure every citizen of Guwahati and Assam that I'm not going anywhere. I will continue to stand by you, raise your voices, and work for education, youth employment, urban development, and preserving our Assamese identity and values. Your struggles are now my struggles, and your dreams remain close to my heart. I invite each and every one of you to reach out to me anytime, and I will always remain accessible to my people, irrespective of my institutional identity. Thank you once again for the incredible love and support and trust you showed in me. This is not the end. It is only the beginning of a longer commitment. Joy Ayocham.